Hello and welcome back to the Canva Design Mastery Series. In this episode, we're diving right into creating your very first design in Canva. First, let's start fresh. Click on Create a Design. You'll see several options. Let's choose Instagram Post for now. Great. Your blank canvas is open. Let me guide you through what you're looking at. On the left, you have your main toolbox, templates, elements, uploads, text, and more. This is where you'll find most of your design assets. Let's click on Templates. You'll find a huge variety of ready-made designs. Try searching for something like Motivational Quote Sale or Travel. I go with Motivational Quote. Now let's pick one and click. Boom! It loads instantly. Pretty cool, right? Now let's start customizing. Click on any text to edit it. I'll type, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started," by Mark Twain. Feel free to use your own wording. Make sure to adjust your position perfectly. You can duplicate anything by right. Click on your mouse, then go to More and click Duplicate. Make sure to adjust your position perfectly. Now let's add an element. Go to Elements on the left. Type Circle and hit Enter. Pick one and drag it into your design. Resize it by dragging the corners. It's super intuitive. Change the color of a circle by clicking in above Color option. Put your creativity with the circles. A pro tip: you can change elements position by clicking Position in top I, then in left options will pop. You can do front, E, back, front or behind all elements. I think I can add circles in both the corners. Now, let me adjust both elements. Position to look cool. Now I am going to change the link text in Down E to add my new link. Let's say you want to upload your own image. Head to Uploads and click Upload Files. Choose an image from your computer and watch it appear in the sidebar. Drag it into your design. Done. Want to move things around? Just click and drag. You can align them using the Smart Guidelines. Not every photos will be perfect for all ideas. Let me change emoji in it. To delete something, right-click. Then you will see Delete Logo. Click it. And change color to orange to look perfect. Let me teach how to change background color. But for me, white is perfect. I choose it. Once your design is ready, let's download it. Click the Share button on the top right. Choose Download. Pick PNG or JPG and hit Download. That's it. You just created your very first design in Canva, and you did it like a pro. Then I am going to upload this to my YouTube channel. You might think I created for Instagram post, but you're uploading it to YouTube. The thing is, both are same size post, and this is my community post page, and I will add some caption to this and post it. You can even check the post link is given below, and that's it. In the next episode, we'll go deeper into using elements, grids, and layout hacks. So stick around. Your design journey is just getting started. See you in the next one.